The Roblox down. Hello guys and welcome to this channel. So this is the question right now. I know that many of you have problems with the Roblox website and app. So if you try to go to your browser to Google at first and then search for Roblox down, click on the Roblox down detector, and then from here scroll down. And here, as you can see on this chart, there are 385 reports at this hour. So you will have to know that you are not the only one who has this problem. As you can see, there are 48% server connection, 36% gameplay, and to the website, of course, there are problems. So you will just have to wait until they fix this problem. And you are not the only one who has this problem. If you see that the Roblox is working, you can comment down below and tell us. And if it's not working, you can also comment down below and tell us. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel if this video was useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.